Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Marketing Studio, which is now available in Pollo AI, and it is same as Higgsfield Marketing Studio as well, but there are a lot more features that are provided here and lot more examples and starting prompt that you can use. So let me show you what I have created, and we are going to create some similar results as well. So let me just play it for you guys here. So this is the chocolate advertisement that I created here. Let me just so I'm just going to pause it here and I'm just going to turn on my speakers. And now I'm going to play the video so you can actually hear the music. This was the product that I basically created with a ChatGPT image 2. And this is the result that I got. So as you guys can see, the liquid simulation, the packaging, animation and all the stuff are looking really good, and this crunch is also feeling great. And this prompt is basically created by me with the help of the prompt they provided. So it's really easy to create some really good shots like this. Let me show you one more example, unboxing video of a keyboard. So you can see this is also looking really good. There are some mistakes, but yeah, it can be ignored. We can definitely do some cuts as well and we can guide it much more better way. So let's just start now. I'm going to go to Pollo AI and I'm going to click on home here. Again, I'm not sponsored by Pollo AI. I'm just creating the video because I find it really useful, this marketing studio. Now let's just go to marketing studio here. You can see it's here only. If I click on it, you can see there are lots of stuff here that are available on Marketing Studio. What you want to do, you want to do URL to video ads, photo to video ads, script to video ads, UGC video ads, or clone video ads. So basically you can clone as well. And there are a lot of categories here. So in Higgsfield, there are not this much categories, but here there are lots of categories here. There is the UGC category, which you can see, and each UGC is having a different purpose. You can see one is promoting the pet care product, one is promoting the coffee machine product, one is promoting the protein bar product. You can see there are lots of situations. My favorite thing is this money shot that you saw, basically that I created with the help of this template here. This template, and you can see there are lots of multiple money shots here, where you can create some really amazing advertisements of sunglasses, maybe chocolate bars, pizza, wafers, or maybe cold drink, or maybe juice. Lots of stuff are there. Then if you go downwards, you can see there is a virtual try on as well. So you can definitely just add your dress and you are ready to go. So if I click here, you can see what I'm actually telling. So you can see this is the try on, and you just need to add your product and your avatar, and that's it. You are now ready to rock and roll basically. And if I click on avatar, you can upload your own image or you can choose avatar as well. You have some really great UGC ads avatar here. Don't go for like marketing and all that stuff, because some are good, some are not that great. Here you can see these are really good, but some are not that good. But like this, it's not that good compared to the UGC ad, which looks really realistic. And I have used this Chloe avatar, which you see in the keyboard here. And there are lots of avatars you can use according to your requirement, according to your brand. Then you have the TVC ad as well. So if you want to create a TVC ad, you can definitely do it, like running shoes or something like that. I created a video recently about this as well, how you can use agents. So Pollo AI also have agents. So now let's start creating something. So I'm going to promote a skincare brand like a sleeping face mask or something like that. So for that, first I need to create a image here. So let's just go to image tab, and I'm going to paste the prompt here. And you can see this is basically a luxury lip treatment brand called Rose Aura, and the product is a frosted translucent crystal glass jar with elegant rose gold metallic and lots of stuff. I'm going to make sure that it's basically in 3:4 composition. Let's just do that here. So let's just go for 3:4. I'm going to make sure here we are going for 2K here. Yeah, this is looking good. And let's just go for ultra realism. or maybe we can just keep it to auto here, not an issue. And public visibility right now is turned on, not an issue. So let's just click on generate. Now it is going to generate my product here, and the product is going to be generated soon. And after the product is generated, we are going to create the video with the help of marketing studio. So let it just generate. Once the product is generated, I will be back. So the product is now generated. You can see it's looking really beautiful. Again, you can create your own prompts with the help of ChatGPT. I have taught in my AI Mastery series how you can actually do it. So you can definitely watch that as well. So you can see this is looking really good. Now let's just save this product here by clicking on download. And let's just start with our product animation. So let's just go to Pollo AI, and now I'm going to click on Marketing Studio here. And here I'm going to make sure that I'm going to go for a money shot. And in money shot, let's just do this one. So you can say it's a beauty product here as well. So maybe this is going to look good. So let's just click here, and you can see right now it's going for 16:9 ratio. We can tweak this as well to 9:16 as well. If you want to do that, you can definitely do that as well. But I'm going to keep it here only. I'm going to replace this product. Now you can add the avatar as well, but I am not going to add the avatar because this is just a product money shot. If you are creating a UGC ad, you can definitely click on avatar here as well. So I'm just going to click on product and choose from assets, and I'm just going to click here, and now you can see this is our product. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Chat GPT here. So let me just open it for you guys. And now I'm going to upload the image that I have here. So let's just click here on the plus. Let's just right click and copy image, and here I'm going to paste the image. And now you can see here is our image. Now what we need to do, guys, in order to do a prompting for this exact product, we need to Control A, Control C. So basically we are copying this whole prompt that Pollo AI has created for us, and we are going to make sure that it is compatible with our product and our product animation. So let's just paste it here, and I'm going to just press shift enter and paste the prompt here. And you can write it here, adapt the following video ad script. So this video ad script to match your product. So what is our product? So we need to write here rose aura. Okay, and what is this rose aura? So if you go here again, you can see it is our skincare product, and if you want the details, you can do that as well. So we can definitely do it. So I created with the Chat GPT only this luxury skincare. So I'm just going to make sure that I am in this tab here, and I'm going to make sure that I'm reading that what is the product exactly about. So the premium clean beauty branding, luxury care. Okay, some ingredients appear substandard, luxury beauty lighting, foreground. Okay, and I think cosmetic campaign. So basically it's a cosmetic campaign, and let's just copy this here. So let's just do a luxury skincare, and let's just do Control C, and here we are going to Rose Aura luxury skincare brand under 4000 characters, because Pollo AI right now supports under 4000 characters. And we are just going to press enter here, and now it is going to analyze our image and give us a new prompt here, which you can see here. It's in the exact structure that we have created. And if you find that this is not the exact structure that you have asked, you can write here, give me exactly as the reference example for structure. And let's just press enter, and it is going to make sure that you get that exact structure here, but for your product. So you can see here we have image one as product, strictly preserve the packaging details, rose aura. So let's just copy this out, and we are going to press Control C here. Let's just go here, and let's just press Control V, and now you can see we are now going to use our this product and let's just make sure that it's 10 seconds, and we are going to do 16:9 here, which we have seen here as well. And let's just click on generate. Right now it's going to use 160 credits because it's a 10 seconds ad and it's in 720. If you are going for a client, you can definitely do 1080 and you can charge like $200 or $100 per advertisement. So you can really get this plan for like 1 year in $1,000. So it's not that bad, guys. So let's just do 720 here, and I'm going to make sure that it's 10 seconds, 16:9, and let's just click on generate. And yeah, one more thing that I like about Pollo AI, which is not in Higgsfield AI, that you can create like 4 outputs here. Yeah, credits are going to increase, but you can definitely do it. So I'm just going to make sure that I am having a one output here, and let's just click on generate. Right now it's on 20% off because it's just released, so you can definitely take the advantage of it. The task has been started, so I will be back once the video is done and I'm going to show you the final output that we have got. The video is now rendered and I haven't seen it yet, so let's just watch it together and let's just see what we have got here. Yeah, so you can see this is the result actually. It's not that great, but you can say it's definitely good. So you can see that the bottle is closing, the jar is opening, and we are taking that profit. That's a good thing. It's not that bad basically, but you can see the result that we have got here. Maybe we can try one more ad as well. So we can go for like 4 variations here, but you can see that the results are really good compared to our prompt that we write manually. So that's a good thing. I hope you guys enjoy this video and definitely check out the marketplace by Pollo AI, and you can marketing studio by Pollo AI, and you can get some really good results quickly without like let's say any prompting or something like that. You can just modify the prompt that has already been given and create your own versions as well. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm soon going to come with some more videos as well in the next week, which are going to help you with your creations and some agent tools that are going to really speed up your workflow. I will see you next time. Subscribe to my channel, like the video. Do let me know in the comments what you want to learn next as well, or what you want to learn in the AI, or what is the thing that is stopping you from learning AI, or you are finding it difficult to learn. Let me know in the comments and I will just make a video out for you guys. I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye guys. Take care.